Hi, this is Vince Curie. I'm unboxing my new Brother Innovis 2800D embroidery machine. This is an embroidery insew machine. It's just about top of the line as far as home machine. So I'm unboxing it right now. It looks like this comes off, this front. Nice. See, this is probably when you want to use it as a sewing machine. The storage is for, oh, here's your feet. I guess the J foot's the one that's on the machine right now. Now I can take this off. Keep all of this over here. Okay. And this, I can make a little room. Not sure how big this carriage is going to be. A quarter carriage. But it's a nice size. I'm replacing the Brother PE 770 that I had. That's the one that I did about 15 videos with. That's the one that I was able to do this. It's a photograph of my wife when she was younger. Okay, now what's this? I imagine goes like this. One more tape. Okay, now doesn't look like there's any more tape. Has a little window over here, sliding window. It looks like you open it in order to put the plug in. That's clever idea. That protects the plug. Tiny little pins. All right, it clips into place. Of course, the other stuff's in the other box, into here. The pedal. Here's the pedal. USB. This one has a USB like this for your embroidery, the PES files, to import them into the machine. This also hooks right to the computer. Very nice. Now, I don't need this right now, but I do need is power. Okay, so this one is power. Try to. This is power. Okay. And then I'm going to put the foot pedal on also. Ah, look at this. Look at this. That's unique. It's another thing to break, that spring. That little plug was in. Okay. You got to see this. I'll put these lights on. Isn't that nice? That's one of the reasons. One of the reasons I bought this was the nice display color. And this way you'll be able to see each phase of the embroidery. Nice, very nice. Put it in my plastic over here. Then I think the next step would be to read the book. Please touch the display. Per favor. Alright, the carriage of the embroidery unit will move. Alright, before embroidering, make sure embroidery frame is moved as far back as possible and the frame securing lever is locked down. Then press start, stop. Interesting. All right, that's all I'm going to do right now. I'm going to read the manual on it. Just wanted to record the unboxing, and you know, probably the one thing I could do right now, if I could find it, I have a. I could put this USB in. See, you give it a couple of seconds to power up, and then you press this. Press this. Transmitting. Ah, you see? That's the picture. The one I created. See right there? And probably, let me see now. Close, delete, sewing. Probably if you press this, transmitting, by USB. Ah, see, it loads it right in. It loads it in. Then I would have to read the book though. See, there's two different ways that looks. So I'm going to leave it like that. And this is the Brother Innovis 2800D, and it's also a sewing machine. And I got to tell you, it's not cheap. And that's going to complement my other vintage stuff. Here's my single model 66s. You're looking at a 1923. Yes, it's in good condition. I refurbished this one. 1923. The one behind it is a model 66 also. It's a black crinkle finish, and that's 1940. And the one on the top, a Singer, model 401A, and that is a 1957. That's the first year they come out. And this one here is the machine I did the demo on yesterday. And that is a General Me 8077, and that does beautiful work. And then I have my Singer Professional 5-thread serger, and then I have another Janome, the Memory Craft 6500 Professional, right there. And this one here is also a Professional 5-thread. Okay, that's the tour. And tomorrow I'll post information on this when I get it going. Vince Arcuri, and I thank you for watching. Oh, before you go away, I always plug the company where I buy all my sewing machines except my vintage Singers. It's a family-owned company. Joe is Mr. Vac, Lisa is Mrs. Sew, and they're in Long Island, in Wanto, New York, Long Island. I highly recommend them. You can go to their website, and you could see all the machines in here, except this one. This one's a special order. You won't find it. You won't find it priced anywhere. This particular model is a special order. I had to order a special. And that's the story. Vince Arcuri again. Thank you for watching.